Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Lil Qwiky Unit 01. It is a collaboration piece by Quiccs, Czee and Clutter that was released during the 5 Points Festival event through the app network. So the SRP for this guy was $85 plus taxes and shipping. I got mine I think at around, or the total that I got mine for was maybe around $100. That already included shipping and the taxes. So before we go with the figure, let me just show you the freebies that I got when I received this. So you have the Clutter logo that's on a can badge there, and this piece of card Clutter, and then you have this there. So now let's go unbox this guy. Oh wait, let's look at the box first. So this is the front. You have the window and the figure. You can see the figure inside. This is the back, the side of the box, the back, the other side, the front, and the bottom of the box. Now let's open this. So for those of you who are not familiar, the base figure of Lil Qwiky is a Canbot. So a Canbot is a figure made by Czee, and it is a character that is a spray can, as you can see there. So you have the nozzle here, and what's cool about the Canbot is if you shake it, you're gonna hear a rattle similar to a real spray can. Wait, let me just open my ring light there. So again, if you shake it like that, you're gonna hear a rattle inside. So for anyone curious, the height of the figure is, I think that's exactly 5 inches. I'm not sure. So maybe just a few lines above 5 inches. Okay. So this is just one of the 2 figures that I received today. For those of you who don't know, I collect Quiccs pieces that are Unit 01 colorway or Evangelion 01 colorway. So this is the Canbot beside the Tech 63 Unit 01 colorway. So that's how tall it is. And that's pretty much it for this video. This is a back-to-back video. I have another figure that's a Unit 01 colorway as well. They arrived at the same time because I had them shipped over using shipping cart. So see you on the next video. You guys stay safe and have a good day.